Hey guys, Brian here. Welcome back to an outside the shop episode. This is a for your information video, more so than anything else. Kind of initially started as a, well that ain't good, but it's turned itself around. So let's check out what happened. So, long-time viewers to the channel will remember this 98 Dakota that I rebuilt the transmission in like 60,000 miles ago. So it rolled over 200 and just slightly after 200,000 miles. It set its first check engine light with a misfire on cylinder 6, to be that one back there. And I pulled the spark plug out, checked the wires, see if that was the issue, and it wasn't. So then I put a compression gauge in and found out that while it was cranking, it had like 130 pounds roughly. So didn't really think there was anything wrong, but I fooled around with it some more and couldn't get it to quit with the misfire. So I wound up screwing the gauge back in it and starting it up and running it, and after it would run just a couple of seconds, the lifter would apparently pump up and not let the valve seat, and it'd go down to like 40 psi cranking pressure on the gauge probably. So I said, well, that's going to be the problem. So as a big fan of the Motor Oil Geeks channel, I had seen several months ago they were over at Valvoline's facility here in Kentucky, and they were talking about this Restore and Protect and showing the results they were getting out of it. And I said, well, maybe that will clean out the lifter that is causing the pump up issue to cause the misfire. So sure enough, I got some of that, changed the oil in this thing, and within the first tank of fuel, the misfire went away. So been running that ever since. It's been through 2 oil changes of that now, because it does clean out a lot of deposits out of the engine apparently. So if you have any sort of engine deposit related performance issues, you might want to look into this, because it worked for me. I wish I had recorded it when it was misfiring, but can't go back in the past to do that. So what we can see, so we've got 206,000 miles on it roughly now. And this is a cold start. So. There it is, no check engine light, no misfire, hadn't been on for at least 3,000 miles, no issues. So problem solved. It's got good oil pressure, so can't complain about that. Way better than having to pull the manifold to pull the lifter out and replace it. And transmission's still in here, doing its thing. So I hope this little, I guess you'd call it testimonial, will help somebody out, maybe. You can have as good luck as I did. But I thought that was pretty cool that just changing the oil was able to solve this lifter pump up problem. So thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, I'll catch you later.